In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your designs from Figma. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, knowing how to efficiently export your assets is crucial to your workflow. So let's dive into the process step by step and make sure you get the most out of Figma's capabilities. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your canvas design on figma.com. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're logged into your account, head over to the project you're working on. Your canvas is your creative playground, so make sure everything's set up the way you want before proceeding. Now that you're in the right project, the next step is to select the frame, group, or layer you want to export. Simply click on the component you need. If you're new to Figma, a frame is essentially a container for your design elements. A group is a collection of layers or objects, and an individual layer can be any element like a rectangle, text, or image. Make sure you have the right one selected, as this will be what you're exporting. With your desired components selected, take a look over at the right-hand side of the screen beneath the Design tab. You'll notice the option to export. Go ahead and click on the Export button. This is where you configure how your design asset will be saved, and it's pretty straightforward. Now, you'll be presented with a choice of formats. For today's demonstration, we're going to focus on exporting as a PNG file. PNG is a popular choice for its lossless compression, making it ideal for high-quality images and for designs where you may need transparent backgrounds. Click on PNG from the options listed. Lastly, with all your settings confirmed, click to export the frame, group, or layer you've chosen. You simply need to confirm your preferences, and Figma will handle the rest, generating the file and downloading it to your computer. And there you have it. Your design is now exported and ready for use in whatever application you need it for, be it presentations, your portfolio, or client handovers. Just keep in mind that these steps can be repeated for any design component you need to export, making this a versatile skill to have in your design toolkit. So, go ahead and give it a try with different parts of your design to see how it works. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to mastering exporting in Figma. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep designing and bringing your creative visions to life. Su ku chais.